Penny forgot the hooks, but he's gonna be back with the hooks and you're gonna be hooked.
Hey, if this makes it official.
I know.
I know.
It's sad that it's official.
I was just thinking that there's no... It was never that official until now, and now there's no going
I can't
back.
believe it. There's no going back now.
No.
No going back, really.
Moshe? Moshe?
Get the neighbors.
Oh, neighbors.
This is not an exciting event. I'm not sure why we're filming such sadness. Why are we filming such sadness?
We're making an Aliyah vlog.
We're doing
Okay,
Aliyah.
that's exciting. We're gonna join soon, Emir Tashem,
Right.
shortly. You too.
This
Yes.
part is sad. So you have to have
So,
the sad and the
putting
Yeah,
it-
once the sign's
putting
up,
it up.
it's official. No
say
turning
sold.
back.
what?
Here I am with the man, Penny Haskiel from Pinnit Realty. We owe Penny a debt of gratitude because he actually sold our house for us.
We're gonna miss you, and you're going to a place that nobody could actually say that they don't want to go, and they don't want to go, and you're lucky, and we're behind you, and we're gonna miss you. And we're losing one, but hopefully we'll get someone to take your place.
What do you have to say about the sign?
It looks like it needs to be finished.
Welcome everybody. This is our moving sale today. We are moving, we are selling everything, and we have a lucky owner of our new snake.
So it's my snake, and I had it from the beginning. And you don't even care about it. You don't have to make it so emotional. And yeah. I mean, I never really played with it a lot, but it's sad.
I think I should get some of the money because I totally just sold it.
לאילנה יש קוף מפלסטיק, כן או לא?
What?
לאילנה יש קוף מפלסטיק, כן או לא?
כן.
יש לה קוף מפלסטיק? לא, אין לה קוף מפלסטיק.
Okay, everybody, the time has come. It is June 2nd at 10:34 at night. Making Aliyah has been quite the arduous process. It's a full-time job. Effie's been working on it. We wanted to share this with you on camera. We're selling our house. We've been in Inwood for about 11 years, and we're going to contract. It's just a crazy thing. We're totally uprooting ourselves, and we hope everything works out in Eretz Yisrael, but here it goes.
Signing the contract.
Effie, I'd like to wish you a mazel tov.
Mazel tov. Feels kind of weird.
It's really surreal experience.
It's mixed emotions. I love this house. Oh wow. Bigger and better. We're moving on.
Moving on, we're gonna miss our neighbors. This was a great block. We moved into Inwood, there was around 20 families. Now there's probably 200 something, and our block has tons of from people on it. There was 2 people, me and another family, us and another family. We moved onto the block 10, 11 years ago.
Good times.
Okay.